Cerebral Angiogram. Introduction. Cerebral angiography can diagnose and treat many abnormalities of the brain's blood vessels. Select true or false. Correct. Cerebral angiography can diagnose and treat many abnormalities of the brain's blood vessels. Cerebral angiography is an outpatient procedure, meaning you can go home after the procedure. Select true or false. Correct. Cerebral angiography is often an outpatient procedure. You should not lift weights immediately after brain angiography. Select true or false. Correct. Infections are rare after a brain angiography. Select true or false. Correct. Infections are rare. Thank you for using Explain.